Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can disable people from adding you on Snapchat groups. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, first of all, go ahead, open your Snapchat app. Right now go ahead, tap on this Bitmoji icon on top left, and now tap on this gear icon on top right. Now scroll all the way to the down till you get this privacy controls section where you're going to find this option of contact me. So go ahead, first tap on that option and choose the friends. If it's by default in friends and contacts, choose friends. Now go back and tap on this see me in quick add, and now simply toggle this off. If you do that in their grouping, creating grouping list or adding a list, you won't be shown in the quick add, and that will prevent. And other thing is, as I showed you before, in this case if you have chosen friends, only friends will be able to add you and you're good to go. So these are the options. Make sure to do that as I've shown and you're good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.